Hello students, myself Kiran TR. I am here to teach you an important and exciting topic in science, magnetic effects of electric current. Let's go. Domestic electric circuits. Domestic means our own, and the electric circuits, the devices which are used in order to perform the operations in our home are called domestic electric circuits. We receive the electric current to all our houses through main supply called mains, which is supported by the electric poles, the overhead electric poles which you see at the sides of your homes. Or the other way we can receive electric current to our homes is the underground cables. So with the help of the underground cables or the electric poles which you see outside of your house, through the main supply, that is also called mains, we receive electric current to our homes. The current flows in three kinds of wires into our homes. These three wires are of different kind and they have a different insulation in order to differentiate. So there are three kinds of insulation. Number one, red insulation. Two, black insulation. Three, green insulation. The red insulation is also called as live wire or positive wire. Black. So in our society we have this connotation that if it is your birthday or any new celebrations is going on, it's a day of celebration, we have seen that people say do not wear black dress or black, right? So black is generally, even though you might love black, but it is given a connotation of bad or negative. So black is neutral and negative. So NN, how do you remember black? Negative, neutral, NN. Negative, neutral wire. So obviously red is the positive wire and also it's called the live wire. The third kind of insulation is the green insulation and it is called the earth wire. So these are the three kinds of insulation and three different kinds of wire. In India, the neutral wire and the live wire, the potential difference between the neutral wire and live wire is 220 volts. In India, the potential difference between the live wire and the neutral wire is 220 volts. Domestic electric circuits. To our homes, we receive electric current through a main supply mains supported by the overhead electric poles, the poles which you can see here, or the underground cables. These are the underground cables. There are two ways which we can receive the electric current. Wires. There are three different kinds of wires through which the electric current flows. One, the red insulation is called the live wire or the positive wire. Black insulation, which is called the neutral wire or the negative wire, and the green insulation, which is called the earth wire. The potential difference between the red wire and the black wire in India is 220 volts. This is about the basics of the different kinds of wires and how we receive electric current to our homes. Now we'll focus on the green insulation or the earth wire. The earth wire is very important. You might have heard your parents or the electricians talk during a conversation. We need earthing. Earthing has to be done to this particular computer system or to the refrigerator. So certain equipments, devices which you use in your house requires earthing. Now the earthing is provided by the green insulation called the earth wire. What is the importance of this earth wire? The earth wire is connected to the metallic body of your computer systems or the refrigerators. So the earth wire is connected to the metallic body, and again the wire which flows, it goes deep down into the earth and there is a metal plate. So the earth wire is connected to two things. One, the metallic body of your refrigerators or systems or any devices, and two, the deep plate, the plate which is metallic plate which is kept buried deep inside the earth. Now, if there is a lot of charges which suddenly flows, or there is a leakage of current, let us say a cat or a rabbit or some animal, a cockroach, right? If you love to learn more and need more of these videos, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Love you. See you in the next video.